In this video, I will show you how you can enable dual SIM settings on any Oppo phone. Before we start, just make sure you insert two SIM cards in your Oppo phone. Otherwise, these settings will not appear on your Oppo phone. After you do that, then just open Settings, and under Settings, just open the Mobile Network Settings. From here, just tap on each SIM card and make sure that they are enabled. After you've done that, now over here you will find all the dual SIM settings of your Oppo phone. First of all, you have the option of calling, and from here you can set a SIM card for calling. You can either select SIM 1 or SIM 2, and also you have the option for Ask Always. And if you select Ask Always, your smartphone will ask you always which SIM card you want to use for calling. And with the same way, you can set a specific SIM card for your internet usage. Currently it is on SIM 1, but you can change it to SIM 2. After that, you have the option for auto switch data SIM, and if you enable this toggle, your Oppo phone will automatically switch between the SIM cards for data usage if the default SIM card has poor connection or if it is out of the reach of the connection. And these are all the dual SIM settings on your Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.